Hello and welcome to another video for Auto Solutions Checkpoint. Now, whenever you're going to sell a van, it can be quite daunting, partly because they suffer with rust like every other vehicle, but because these are on the road more, they suffer more. Obviously stone chips that don't get treated and that. Now, this is a good solution. See, for tidying the vehicle up before you go to sell it, obviously getting rid of the rust stain and that. I used to use WD-40. The WD-40, it dissolves that, but we've got elbow grease. Now, I've been using this for quite a while now, and you just apply it over the rust stain. It's better just doing the whole panel with it. When you're applying the elbow grease, it's beneficial to clean the panels down first. Now, obviously you've noticed on this I haven't cleaned the panels, but the paintwork isn't the greatest on this anyway, but I just wanted to show you how much of an effect this has on the van, and it's remarkable. Applying the elbow grease, use a microfiber cloth and apply it lightly. I wouldn't be going too heavy with it because obviously it's abrasive and you don't want to scratch your paintwork either. So, fresh canvas, just go over the wee bits that I didn't see underneath the dirt as well. But what a difference already. It's like magic. I feel like a magician. So it was very tired looking before, obviously all the rust stains are away, but it definitely makes a big difference. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you haven't already subscribed, please smash the subscribe button down below if you've enjoyed it. But you take care, 1010 over and out.